guys, today I'm going to a party with my chocolate milk, and it is my tito's birthday. So we're just gonna celebrate here. There's even a pool outside, but I'm not gonna swim because I already swam 2 times. Let's start the party. So I'm just gonna eat. I'm just waiting for my food. Few moments later. Hi. This is my cousin. So I'm just gonna eat. This is her food. I'm just waiting for my food. So I'm just gonna keep waiting. Okay, what's this? What's this? Ice cream? It's ice cream. So I'm waiting for my food, I'm waiting for my mom. What's this?
Okay, di ba?
Mama, can I have noodles?
Ati ka luklukan, Dad. Gusto ko kayo ni Dad, kasi sama mo si Lola. There, take off everything first. Wala tila mo rin lamig. Dahan-dahan ba? Yan.
Mom, can I have some?
Yeah. Wait for Mom. Wait, I'm gonna get the...
I'm just waiting for my How yummy it is. Here's my dad.
Hi, baby.
And my mom is gonna feed me. Mom, I want this.
Yeah, you hold this one first.
That's what we know. Somehow.
I'm gonna send the picture. Sige, Sige po, picture. Huwag ka nyaman, Paul. Atay sa picture. Don't look na. Si Gary, oh. Gary, look. Thank you. Oh, sige. Wapo, thank you, Kuya. Kasi yan ang kinain mo? Ba't di ka kumuha ng suba?
Pasta.
Can go back. Just bring your plate.
Mommy, I wanted like that.
Just mushroom.
This is going like this. This is my mom. What's this?
Vegetable, no? Vegetable nga.
What's that?
Chicken. Hold it, hold it. Marami pa. Want more? You can go back. Bring your plate. You can bring your plate. Yeah. Guys. Alam naman na eh. Full? Okay, you wanna try the soup?